Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Husqvarna 128ld attachments is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any homeowner looking to tackle a wide range of outdoor maintenance tasks with efficiency and ease, offering a remarkable blend of power, durability, and user-friendly design that makes it a standout choice for both seasoned professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 5. Wild Badger Power 26 cubic centimeters Gas Weed Whacker. Introducing the Wild Badger Power 26 cubic centimeters Weed Whacker, your ultimate outdoor power tool. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use. This powerful tool offers incredible versatility. Effortlessly switch between a 17-inch string trimmer edger and a 10-inch brush cutter to tackle any yard task. At its core is a robust 26 cubic centimeters, full crank, 2-cycle gas engine. This ensures reliable performance and longevity for all your landscaping needs. Experience longer life and better fuel efficiency thanks to its full crank design. It's built to last and keep your costs down. Getting started is a breeze with its easy start system, typically requiring just a few pulls. The tool-free air filter cover makes maintenance simple and operation comfortable. This unit is compatible with various attachments, allowing you to expand its capabilities. Save money and space by transforming it into different tools as needed. What we like. This offers incredible versatility with its trimmer, edger, and brush cutter functions. Its powerful 26 cubic centimeters engine ensures it can handle tough jobs. If you are looking for a single tool that can do it all for your yard maintenance, this is a great choice. What people say. The unit is fairly quiet for a gas string trimmer, easy to load trimmer line, doesn't leave your hands numb from vibration, it's really easy to start, reasonably powerful, and pretty inexpensive to buy. I have used this with a Forester blade for a couple of years to cut smaller brush. I've been very pleased with it and would buy it again. The circular saw blades work good, but with those the fewer teeth the better, and buy a heavy or thick one. The kind I used are a bit flimsy since the first collision with an unseen obstacle warped it beyond any quick fix I could make. I next tried the blade with the chainsaw teeth. A 2-pack cost about what a 3-pack of the flimsy blades did, and it cuts like a dream in open areas, but forget about edging or string trimmer work. I cut through thickets without effort, and at times when weeds would seem to be wrapped around the blade and spindle which would need to be manually cleared before, only required the application of throttle and a brief shaking to sling it off and work resumes. I also cut a few oak tree branches. The largest cut was 4 to 5 inches and it handled it with ease, doing the work of a pole saw. Number 4. AR Pro 10 Steel Brush Cutter Blades, 2 set. Introducing the AR Pro Steel Brush Cutter Blades, designed for efficient trimming and cutting. This set includes everything you need for a quick replacement. These 10-inch, 3-tooth blades feature a universal fit adapter. They are guaranteed to fit most straight shaft trimmers with 1-inch or 20mm arbors, compatible with major brands. Crafted from fine-grade, heat and rust-resistant carbon steel, these blades offer exceptional durability. Expect a lifespan increase of at least 50% compared to standard replacements. Experience effortless cutting and pruning. Our blades slice through thick weeds and brush with ease, requiring minimal pressure and ensuring a clean finish for your landscaping tasks. Approved by mechanics, these blades meet or exceed OEM quality standards. They are built to tackle tough jobs in your backyard and beyond. AR Pro is committed to providing dependable and durable blade replacements. Trust in our quality for your outdoor maintenance needs. What we like. These blades are designed for exceptional performance and durability, cutting through thick weeds with ease. If you need a reliable replacement blade that fits most straight shaft trimmers and offers a superior cutting experience, these are the ones to get. What people say. This thing is a monster, rips through anything unfortunate enough to find itself in its path of travel. Thick weeds, especially hollow stalks up to probably 1 inch and 3/4 in diameter saplings, whatever, it doesn't care. These blades are the bomb. We have used them to clear jungle back of an entire acre and continue to use them when we let the tough California grass or Guinea grass get away from us. They're thick enough to put up with some inadvertent collisions with lava rock and they don't come apart. They cut easily through even the thickest clumps of grass. Work great, installs easy, fit out. Husqvarna 128ld just fine. Eats almost anything, also makes a great rock detector. Once you are used to it, it makes different noises which help you to identify various geologies. A ting is quartz, a vrap is sandstone, and a hoang is probably granite. Number 3. Wild Badger Power Edger 92T Cutting Blade. Introducing the Wild Badger Power Edger, designed for both accuracy and speed. Get fast, precision edging every time with its straight shaft design. Built to last, this tool is constructed from steel and aluminum for maximum durability. It's made to withstand tough jobs and provide long-lasting performance. Achieve the perfect edge with adjustable depth settings. Its 9-inch 2T blade allows for a maximum cutting depth of 2.2 inches, handling any edging task. Connecting this attachment is simple and secure. With a 0.31-inch square size and 1-inch pipe diameter, it fits easily onto compatible tools. Please note, this attachment is designed for gas-powered tools only. It is not compatible with battery-powered tools and may be damaged if misused. What we like. This attachment delivers fast and precise edging with its 9-inch blade and adjustable depth. Its heavy-duty construction ensures longevity. If you need a dedicated tool for creating clean, sharp edges in your lawn and are using a gas-powered trimmer, this is a solid option. What people say. It's all metal and easy to use. This thing works better than anything I've ever used. It is really well made and works great. I love it. Number 2. Husqvarna 128ld ECA 308 Edger Attachment. Introducing the Husqvarna ECA 308 Edger Attachment, designed for precision and ease of use. It's the perfect tool to achieve clean, defined edges in your yard. This versatile attachment is compatible with several Husqvarna trimmer models, including the 122LK, 330LK, and the 338 Combi switch platform. Enjoy seamless integration with your existing equipment. Navigate your lawn with ease thanks to the large 6-inch adjustable wheel. It ensures smooth operation and helps you maintain a consistent cutting line effortlessly. Equipped with a robust 8-inch steel cutting blade, this tool is built for long-lasting performance. It tackles grass edging with durability and reliability. Achieve professional-looking results with its 2.5-inch cutting depth. It delivers clean and precise edging, transforming your lawn's appearance. Experience enhanced balance and reduced fatigue during use. The ergonomic curved shaft is designed for your comfort, making yard work less strenuous. What we like. This edger attachment is designed for smooth, easy operation with its large adjustable wheel and ergonomic shaft. It's compatible with several Husqvarna models. If you own a compatible Husqvarna trimmer and want a comfortable, efficient way to achieve clean lawn edges, this attachment is ideal. What people say. The attachment is easy to connect and disconnect. It works well with the trimmer and provides good performance. The design is sturdy and feels durable for long-term use. Number 1. Husqvarna 5300962995 Gearbox Assembly. This is a direct replacement gearbox assembly. It is designed to replace part number 5300962995 for a perfect fit. This part is compatible with a wide range of Husqvarna trimmer models. This includes the 125L, 125LD, 125R, 125RJ, 128L, 128LD, 128R, and 128RJ series. It also fits several Johnsard models, such as the BC2126, BC2128, GC2126C, and GC2128 series. For Red Max users, this gearbox assembly is compatible with the BC280 model. Your package will include one complete gearbox assembly. It's ready to be installed on your compatible trimmer. What we like. This is a direct replacement gearbox assembly for many Husqvarna, Johnsard, and Red Max trimmers. It ensures your trimmer's drive system is functioning correctly. If your trimmer's gearbox is damaged or worn out, replacing it with this part will restore its performance and extend its life. What people say. Replace the old gearbox as I torture my equipment. This replacement was an easy changeover. Trimmer head clearly fits and I did a quick test run with it afterward. Very easy to change and seems made well. Definitely has a different sound, but I think this is what it was like when new. My bearing inside the old one was in pieces. Fit my Husqvarna perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.